Welcome to IC2 Tips and Tricks, Shared Users. To add a new shared user, click on the Invite New User button in the top nav bar and add the user's email address into the pop-up. Once you've added the email address, then click Search. IC2 will search our existing user database to try and find and match the existing user. If this is a new account to IC2, simply give the user a name and click Send to send your invite. Alternatively, if the user already has an IC2 account, the user will be found and you can add your shared user. Once the invite has been created, the user will receive an email to set up their account. If it is an existing user, they will receive a notification. Once accepted, you will receive a confirmation in the news feed on your homepage. To manage your shared users, simply click on the user profile in the top nav bar. This will open up a new tab. Click on My Network from the left menu. This will display a complete list of all shared users. You can delete users and see any pending requests.